If you're looking for a platform to compare AI models side by side, you have probably come across LMarena AI. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And is it actually useful? In this quick review, I'll break down everything you need to know so you can decide if it's worth your time. What is LM Arena? LM Arena, also known as Chatbot Arena, is a platform that lets you compare different AI models in real time. Instead of choosing one AI like ChatGPT or Cloudy, LM Arena shows you two anonymous AI responses and you pick which one is better. This helps rank AI models based on real user feedback, not just benchmarks. How it works. Using LM Arena is simple. You type a prompt or question, two AI tools or two AI models respond anonymously. You vote for the better answer. After voting, you can see which models were behind each response. This system makes the comparison fair and unbiased, since you do not know which AI you are judging at first. Pros. Here are the main advantages: unbiased comparisons, no brand influence when voting, access to multiple AI models in one place, great for testing prompts across different AIs, free to use in most cases. It's especially useful if you are trying to figure out which AI gives the best results for your needs. Cons. But it is not perfect. Limited control over which models you compare, not ideal for daily use like a regular chatbot. Some responses can feel inconsistent depending on the model, so it is more of a comparison tool than a full AI assistant. Who should use it? LM Arena AI is best for developers and AI enthusiasts, content creators testing AI outputs, anyone curious about which AI platforms better. And if you just want a chatbot for everyday tasks, this might not be the best option. Key features. Some standout features include blind testing system for fair comparisons, leaderboard rankings of top AI models, support for a wide range of LLMs, simple and fast interface. The leaderboard is especially useful if you want a quick look at the top performing AI models right now. LMarena versus regular AI tools. The main difference is simple. Tools like ChatGPT use one AI for tasks. LM Arena compare multiple AIs side by side. So instead of replacing your chatbot, LM Arena helps you choose the best one. Final verdict. So is LM Arena worth it? Yes, if your goal is to compare AI models and test performance. But if you are looking for a reliable everyday assistant, you are better off sticking with a dedicated AI tool. And that is it for today's review. If you find this review helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.